There's a specific moment that feels harder to describe than the painful ones. Nothing hurts anymore. Nothing feels urgent. There's no anxiety pushing you forward. No discomfort forcing a response. And still, there's no direction, no signal, nothing calling for action. You're not overwhelmed. You're not confused. You're just waiting without knowing what you're waiting for. It doesn't feel dramatic. It feels empty in a quiet way. Not empty as in lacking. Relief feels like something happened. And that's where the confusion starts. Because when pressure disappears, the mind expects an instruction. Something to respond to. Something to do. But relief is not a signal. It's just the absence of pressure. It's the moment where nothing is actively demanding your attention. And when there's nothing to respond to, the mind starts scanning, looking for direction where there isn't one yet. This is usually labeled the wrong way. It gets called stagnation, lack of motivation, lack of clarity. But what's really happening is simpler. There is no instruction right now. No internal push. No external pull. Nothing asking for movement. That doesn't mean you missed something, it means there isn't a signal yet. This space feels uncomfortable because it doesn't tell you who to be. There's no role to perform. No decision to justify. No action to validate. You're used to responding, to reacting, to adjusting to pressure. So when pressure disappears, the absence itself feels wrong. Like something is missing. But what's missing is not clarity. It's instruction. And instruction hasn't arrived yet. Most phases in life come with some kind of signal. Pain, desire, urgency, fear. Something that says, move. This phase doesn't. It's quiet. Not peaceful, just quiet. There's nothing to respond to, nothing to fix, nothing to solve. And without pressure, time feels undefined. Not slow, just unmeasured. You're not standing still because you're blocked. You're standing still because there's nothing to move toward yet. No signal, no instruction, no direction. This is what it feels like to be between phases. Not in the old one, not in the next one. Between signals, where nothing is asking you to respond. This isn't a moment that needs to be understood. It's a moment that exists without explanation. There's no mistake here, no delay, no failure. Where the system hasn't oriented itself yet, the absence of pressure is not the absence of movement. It's the absence of instruction. There isn't a signal yet. And that doesn't mean something is wrong. It just means there's nothing to respond to right now. You're not stuck. You're not lost. You're between signals.